Alright, hey YouTube, we got a problem. We got an LG stove that says F11. LG F11. That means it doesn't heat. The igniter is not working. We gotta change the igniter. So I ordered a brand new igniter right here. This is what it looks like. And we're gonna put that in the oven. So first thing first, open the stove, and in there we have to remove two screws. There's one right there and the other is right there. So with a Phillips screwdriver, remove those screws. Okay, I have a drill. I have the two screws already removed. The next step is we gotta take out the door. This door right here gotta come out. So what you do is, there's a latch right here. You lift it up. Open that latch. Next latch over here. Open up. See this? Just like that. Up. And now you shut the door. It's a door. And then you almost shut it. And then you lift. Once you lift it, it should just come right out. Like that. That's out. This side. I think. So you lift. And it should come right off. Just like that. And this teeth is what came out of that hole. Alright, remember earlier we took two screws out of there and there, and now what you do is you just lift this and pull it out. That pulls right out. And your igniter is back there somewhere. Next step, take your drill, Phillips, and you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 back there. 4 screws. You're gonna remove this plate. Okay, after remove the 4 screws from there, 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. Now we take this plate off. And that's the igniter over there. That's what the F11 code is about. It's not getting hot enough to ignite the oven. So we're going to remove that, put a new one in, and hopefully it works. Alright, the igniter is held on by 2 Phillips 1/4 inch socket screws. So if you have a socket wrench, it will be easier to get it off, something like this. Or if you have a Phillips, a short Phillips, you can use a short Phillips. Or if you have a vice grip, that can take it off also. So any one of those, unscrew the 2 screws and you'll be on your way. Now if you don't have a socket to remove those 2 screws from the igniter, what you can do is remove this screw right here. There's one screw right here, and there's another screw up here on top of this little box. That box. Once that screw, those 2 screws are removed, then you can, and then right here also there's a screw right here. Take this out, and you can just take this, remove this whole thing. Like that. And now you have it out, where you can work on it. You can work on removing it. So after you unscrew it from this piece right here, unscrew from that piece, all you do is you pull this out. There should be a clip, and that's the clip right there. You want to disconnect this clip, and then you take the old igniter right there. And this is the new igniter. It should be shiny and have glitters on it. If you look at it, you can see it's glittering. That's not burnt out. The old one, it's smooth. If you see it, it's kind of smooth. So I have the new igniter in. All I gotta do now is put it, attach it right there, like that, with the 2 screws in there, just like that. Okay, now 2 screws installed, brand new igniter. That's the old igniter right there. Make sure you put this back down in that hole, just like that. And you want to put this back in that hole, slide it in. It pops right into that hole right there. Okay, we're done installing the igniter. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna put it on and see what happens. I'll go up to here.
What happened to it?
I'm gonna bake, and we're gonna put start and see what happens. Perfect. It works. So now all we gotta do is put the rest of the stuff back together. Alright, so it works. So now we gotta put the plate, the top plate, right back over it. That plate, it has about 4 screws. I'm gonna put that in. 4 screws installed. Next is the top plate, the cover that goes on top of this one right here. Slides in and sits down just like that. And don't forget, it's 2 screws, which are Phillips, one in that corner, one in that corner. Last but not least, we gotta hook the stove. These hooks right here goes in here, and that hook right there goes in here, that hole. Okay, after you've inserted the hook into that hole, and you can open it wider now, and then the latch, don't forget the latch, you press it in. Next latch, it's that latch, you press it down. That's it. And now you can shut it. It's ready to go. You have an LG stove that's igniter is functioning properly. So now if you have any questions, just text and I'll answer.